Hi, I'm Michael Griffin, owner and founder of MG Building and Renovation. MG Building and Renovation specializes in fire and water restoration, renovation, and remodeling services to the residential and commercial industry throughout Southeast Michigan. Since 1997, our company has built a solid reputation because of honesty, integrity, excellence in service, and sound craftsmanship. With 17 years of residential and commercial construction experience, our 24/7 emergency response team is trained and ready to provide you with prompt response, quick and accurate estimates, emergency board up, assistance with all insurance claims, free estimates, no obligation. All services are backed with a 1-year guarantee. You can contact us at 248-796-1676. Raising renovations to the next level, one home at a time.